What's up, guys? Alright, it is Sunday morning. It's supposed to be pretty nice out, and it's not. It's like still cold, overcast, a little bit of drizzle coming in right now. No sunlight at all, so the ramps are still like soaking wet. But yeah, have some friends coming to meet up. Probably gonna go street skate, but I figured I'd try to learn a trick before that. This one has been in my mind since back when I was doing my challenge. I was learning a new trick every day. It was fakie inward heel flip to tail stall. And ever since then, I kind of wanted to do a nollie inward heel flip nose stall. Today seems like a perfect day for that, so give it a shot once I dry off these ramps. Alright, maybe it's a little more wet than I thought, but shouldn't be too dangerous. Hopefully we can get this quick. Alright, maybe I shouldn't try this actually. I just have like this vision of me putting my foot on the coping and just kind of slipping out. Maybe I'll dry it a little bit more. Oh yeah, it's a little slippery up there. Felt a little more in control there. I think we got this one. Alright, starting to drizzle a little bit harder now. I don't have too many tries before it's just incredibly unsafe, so I'll give it like 3 more and that might be it. Not sure if that helped or made it worse, but we're gonna try a few more. I don't know. All right. This one doesn't seem natural at all. It feels so awkward. Couple more. Oh! Alright, that was it. I think we got it. Oh, that thing is soaked. Alright, so I think there's 2 tricks to this trick. One is front foot. I've been putting it in this pocket. Once I started doing that, it just gets a better rotation and pop. And when you flick, it's almost like I'm flicking down. I'm like almost popping this straight and like whipping it around with my back foot. Weird, but I think we got it. Yes! Oh man. Whew. Psyched. A little sketchy, but I don't care. Alright, maybe I care a little bit. I might try a couple more. Just started drizzling again too. Alright, I'm done. Alright, I feel like I escaped death today, so I might not try any more tricks. I think I'm gonna call it. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.